Saving $10,000 sounds impossible on a normal salary. Here's the math that proves it's not, and the exact plan to do it. $10,000 per year equals $833 per month equals $192 per week equals $27 per day. Most people can find $27 per day by cutting 2 to 3 things. It's not about deprivation. It's about 1 year of intention. 1. Cancel and use subscriptions, $50 to $100 per month. 2. Cook 3 more meals/week at home, $100 to $200 per month. 3. Drop 1 bad habit, tobacco, excessive drinks, $50 to $200 per month. 4. Shop your insurance for better rates, $50 to $150 per month. Side hustle 5 to 8 hours/week, dog walking, tutoring, freelance, $200 to $500 per month. Or sell clutter quarterly, $200 per quarter equals $67 per month average. Or reduce food waste from $150 per month to $50 per month equals $100 saved. Open a separate high-yield savings account named $10,000 Goal. Set $833 auto transfer on payday. Treat it like a bill. Don't check the balance weekly. Check quarterly for motivation. Download my savings goal tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.